last 8 years I've been extraordinarily lucky. There's a theory of policy change by Professor John Kingdom, who's at the University of Michigan, and he talks when the policy window opens for big change. And I participated in one of those eras in 1964 to 1967 with Lyndon Johnson and the Great Society and the many, many things that were passed during that period. And this has been somewhat of a similar period. And the theory of the policy window is three things come together. First of all, you have a rising tide of revenue. So ever since 2012, the state's revenue has gone up, significantly. And I understand that the next governor is going to have quite a nice budget situation, given the growth in the economy. So you get a rising tide of revenue. Then you get a united political coalition that was sustained for many, many years. We've had essentially the same coalition for 8 years, pushing in the same directions. So patience and persistence. And the third is you have a lot of big ideas. And so we tried, when those three come together, you can make really some major changes.